Hi all, welcome again. In the previous video, we have discussed about how to find all factors of a given number. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is a prime number. There are two definitions. First one, factors based definition. It says that a prime number is a natural number that has exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. Second definition, divisibility-based definition. It says that a prime number is a natural number that is divisible exactly only by 1 and itself. Got it? Let us understand these definitions with examples. Example 1. Yesterday, we discussed how to find all factors of 11. We found that factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Now, observe here, 11 has exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. Therefore, as per the factors based definition, 11 is a prime number. Got it? Also, 11 is divisible exactly only by 1 and itself. Therefore, as per the divisibility based definition, 11 is a prime number. Got it? Example 2. Find all factors of 2. As per the rule, treat the given number as the dividend. Then start dividing the given number by natural numbers beginning from 1. Here, when we divide 2 by 1, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 1, which is not greater than the quotient 2. So, continue to the next step. Here, when we divide 2 by 2, we get 1 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. In this case, the divisor is 2, which is greater than the quotient 1. So, please stop here and do not consider this step. Got it? Now observe the division is exact in the first step. Therefore, factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Got it? Now, observe here. 2 has exactly two distinct factors, 1 and itself. Therefore, as per the factors based definition, 2 is a prime number. Got it? Also, 2 is divisible exactly only by 1 and itself. Therefore, as per the divisibility based definition, 2 is a prime number. Got it? Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss on composite numbers. For more details on factors and their properties, also how to find all factors of a given number, please watch the complete playlists. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.